Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your LiveChat mobile if it's not receiving any notification. Okay, so first up, open up the LiveChat app. Now go to the bottom right and tap on More. Tap on it, and as you can see here, we have notifications. Just tap on it, and right off the bat, we have this exclamation point. Well, that means we have an issue either on the app settings or the phone settings itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and find out. Just tap on troubleshooting right here. As you can see, device settings has been disabled or is not granted. So what you'll do is just go ahead over to your settings, and under notifications, if you're using iOS, go ahead over to notifications and to enable notifications. Now, if you're using Android, you'll be able to tap on go to settings right here, tap on it, wait for it to load. Now make sure that notifications, okay, right here is allowed. All right, and once that's done, just go back right here. And when you tap on troubleshooting, right here, it should be all checked. Okay, as you can see, we have the test notification right here. That is it. Okay, now you can go ahead and go back to our notification section and scroll down, and you can go ahead and edit your notification preferences right here. For example, for customers, whenever there's a new customer, you might want to enable receiving notifications. If there are, again, new customers or returning customers, hit on done, like so, and chats right here. Supervised and chats being archived. If I were you, I'm just going to turn it all. Okay, done. Scroll down, set notifications, even if you are active on your desktop, and also if you want to only when accepting chats, LiveChat right here will send you notifications. If not, if you want to receive all notifications even when you are out, disable this option. All right, and another issue if you're using an Android. Okay, I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to find the LiveChat app right here, tap and hold, like so. Now go to the top right, tap on the information icon. Now scroll down, and under battery, okay, if it's set to optimized or restricted, you might want to tap on allow this app to use battery in the background without restrictions, so that it will sync your notifications on time. Select unrestricted. All right, and that's basically it. You can now then go ahead and go back or restart the app like so. Open it back up once more, wait for it to load, and then after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.